Now that the analysis has been performed, we are brought to the analysis output. We will not discuss the specifics of the contents inside. Instead, we will cover how to navigate the output. To the left is the table of contents. This goes over all the main features that MecaStack has. For example, the win code tab has different criteria underneath it, like stress criteria, win criteria, vortex criteria, etc. Clicking on the subject will take you to where you can either find your information or data you entered. In the top left corner, you will see 3 icons with checks on them. In chronological order, they will check all items in the table of contents, uncheck all items in the table of contents, and check all the main categories and ignore the subcategories. Categories that are checked are present on the right side and absent if not checked. This is not only useful for filtering out information you need, but can help you with the download and print options in the bottom right. Here you can download, copy, or print your manual. You can download your manual in PDF, Microsoft Word, HTML, and XLSX. You can also copy all text that is currently marked by a checkmark in the table of contents. Finally, you can print your manual should you want it in printed format. Not only that, but should you only want to download certain sections of the output, you can select which categories you want to present. For instance, let's say I only want to download stack wend area summary, design codes, and primary loads, along with any subcategories in design codes. I uncheck everything, then check those 3 boxes. Once finished, it will only display contents of those 3 items on the right. Next, we move on to the search bar. As you can guess, you can use this to find a specific topic in the manual. Considering the contents of the help manual can get really long, it's helpful to pinpoint the information you need. For instance, I am currently on MecaStack right now. Let's say I am looking the frequency summary. I would type it into the search bar and the manual updates automatically. On the sidebar to the right, there are several yellow bars indicating when frequency summary is used. Scrolling to any of these lines show the instance where frequency summary is mentioned. If you wish to see the latest analysis done, go to the analysis window and select View Last Analysis, which we also have in video 4.